Welcome back. It is Thursday, and that means it's time for another quick bite with Hy-Vee Dietitian Kaiti George. Hello.
You know what? Gosh darn it. When we were picking these recipes, I said, we have done so many pizzas. I'm not going to do pizza.
I'm not complaining, though.
And then the next thing you know, like, there's another good pizza that I want to do. So we're not going to call these pizzas. We're going to call them flatbreads.
Okay.
And that's kind of how we're going. So, okay.
Whatever makes you feel better.
I know, exactly. So we're going to talk little products here. And the first one that I'm going to talk about is our actual pizza crust, which are not pizza crust. They're going to be flatbreads. It is actually these mini naan breads. Have you tried these before?
I have.
Oh my gosh, I love them.
It's so much more convenient than the big pieces of them.
So there's the big pieces as well. And if you want to make a big one, that's totally cool. But these kind of work as individual pizza crusts, and so that is going to be the base of our Mexican chicken pizza slash flatbread.
No, you can't say pizza.
The flatbread. So that is going to be that, okay? So we are going to start, we're just going to make 2 of these. These are actually found kind of over, kind of near the hummus in that area. I love these.
Are you using garlic?
Great. Yes, these are just the garlic.
Okay.
They do have original as well, but flavor for sure. So the pizza sauce is non-existent because it's not pizza, right? So we're actually going to start, and we are going to put a little bit of refried beans. That's going to be kind of like our sauce. So again, this is a Mexican flair, so we're just going to add a little bit of refried beans here on the bottom. You can choose whichever kind you like. They actually do have black bean refried beans, so if you're a black bean fan, you can do that, or you can just use the traditional pinto bean refried beans. So that is how we're going to start. From here, this is a little pre-cooked chicken, maybe some leftovers from the other night. We are going to add that to the top of our flatbread.
You are all about using leftovers.
I know, for sure. And then from here, we're going to add a little bit of taco sauce. So this kind of does act a little bit as the sauce area, but we're just going to do a little drizzle across. Doesn't have to be much at all. And then finally we're going to top it with some 2% Mexican cheese. And you know, I always tell my customers and clients, we tend to get enough saturated fat in our diet. Let's try to do a little bit of 2% cheese instead of always the full fat, just to make it a little bit healthier as well. So we are going to add a little sprinkle of cheese onto our Mexican chicken flatbreads. All right, so from here we're going to stick these in the oven. Everything is already pre-cooked, so really we just need a little bit of warming. So you can put it in at like 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, and then you get the final product right here. It's a great quick easy lunch. You can do it for supper, you can eat it hot, you can eat it cold. And then I do also want to plug the Siete chips. The Siete chips are a grain-free chip that is found in the health market, and it is our September dietitian pick of the month. So it works great as a side item and just a really great tortilla chip.
I see it's made with avocado oil.
Yes, yeah, it's going to be a little bit healthier, better monounsaturated fats. So it's just definitely an alternative. So serve that with the side, maybe with some salsa, but keeps the Mexican flair going on.
All right, Katie, thanks so much.
Absolutely.
We'll put the recipe on our website.